Hey guys, Jay Howerton, Service Manager, Neil Huffman Acura. As the winter temperatures continue to drop, there's a few things that you can do to your car to make sure it's safe and dependable. And here to tell you about some of the basic measures that you can take to ensure that your car is winter ready is our shop foreman and master Acura technician, Spencer.
Yeah, so a couple things that we want to make sure that we check is maintaining our coolant levels, make sure that that's full. You also want to check your washer fluid. You're going to look for this symbol here. Pop that there. If you need to top it off, do so. Make sure you keep your windshield clear, safe for you to drive. And then the other thing is maintaining our battery. Now, I know not everyone has a battery tester on hand themselves. Maybe you could bring it in someday. We'd be happy to check that out for you. Make sure your battery health is good. You're not getting stranded anywhere in the cold. And one thing that's absolutely paramount to keep you safe on the road this winter season is maintaining your tire pressure. One way that you can know what your tire pressure is supposed to be set at is a little label here in your door jamb. It's going to tell you your front and rear tire pressure. This is crucially important to keep you safe while you're driving. And lastly, and most importantly, is maintaining our visibility through the windshield while we're driving. Two things we can do for that is checking our wiper blades, make sure they're not streaking or getting frozen to the windshield when it's snowing, and also maybe keeping an ice scraper on hand so you can keep that windshield clear.
And there you have it from one of the masters. At Neil Huffman Acura, your safety is our top priority. If for any reason you don't feel comfortable checking these items yourself, please feel free to pull your vehicle in for a complimentary inspection at any time. Huffman has it.